Hello everybody, this is Dakre sir, and in this lecture we are going to see how to determine roots of complex number, complex quadratic equation, of a quadratic equation which contains a complex number. Now this is a general form of quadratic equation. These are the two roots. This whole part is called as discriminant, and discriminant, that means b square minus 4ac is greater than or is equal to 0. Then we know that roots are real. If equal to 0, roots are real and equal. If greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. If b square minus 4ac, these roots nature, it depends on this b square minus 4ac. So if the b square minus 4ac is less than 0, if you consider b square minus 4ac less than 0, b square minus 4ac less than 0, suppose its value is minus x. Less than 0 means that value is coming negative. All numbers that are less than 0 possess a minus sign. Suppose its value is minus x, so take square root. B square minus 4ac is equal to under root minus x, that means minus 1 under root into under root x. Separate the square root, here 1 is there and then multiplication sign is there, so minus 1 into under root x, so I into under root x. So this is the value of under root b square minus 4ac. Okay, so what is under root x? Compare, same is minus 1 here. This implies that same minus 1 here, it is in division or multiplication. Say or multiply both the side by minus 1, so you get 4ac minus will become plus and plus will become minus. So minus is going to change your sign, is equal to x. Put this value here, I into under root, what is the value of x from equation first, 4ac minus b square, 4ac minus b square from equation first. Here is equation first. So if you want to determine the square root or roots of quadratic equation, then what we have, what you can do? First we have minus b minus plus minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Are the alpha and beta. For alpha we are using plus sign and for beta we are using minus sign. Are the roots of quadratic equation. Okay. So b square minus 4ac, in case of imaginary number, this is called imaginary number. B square minus 4ac roots are real. Okay, b square minus 4ac is less than 0. That means it is negative. So what is this value under b square minus 4ac? Which value you got? Minus b plus minus I under root 4ac minus b square divided by 2a, alpha comma beta. If you are given directly, you are given a complex number, or sorry, a quadratic equation whose roots are imaginary, then at that time we are using this formula. Okay, remember we have to use this formula. These are the alpha and beta. If you take plus sign, we call it as alpha, and if you take minus sign, we call it as beta. So one more property is there. If you write alpha is equal to minus b plus I under root 4ac minus b square divided by 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus I under root 4ac minus b square divided by 2a, what is the difference? Only difference is change in sign of coefficient of I. So when there is we change first sign, conjugate, a plus bi its conjugate is a minus bi. So these two are conjugate of each other. We can write alpha is equal to conjugate of b, beta, and beta is equal to conjugate of alpha and beta. So remember this property also. So remember what are the roots? Minus b plus minus I, minus b plus minus I under 4ac minus b square. Why? Because this value is negative because this minus sign. All the manipulation is here. Why it comes I under 4ac minus b square. Remember this. So we will take one example. Solve equation There is an example. Solve the equation 25x square minus 30x. 25x square minus 30x plus 11 is equal to 0 by using general expression. So here see in the form ax square minus bx plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay. So what is a? 21. B is equal to minus. Generally we have to solve. What is the formula we have derived right now? Minus 3 and then c is equal to 11. Okay. So first b square minus 4ac. What is b square? 900 minus 4ac. 4 into 11 into 25. Under root here plus minus b minus of 30. Here is b value. This value. Okay. Divide by 2a. A is 21. 2 multiplied by 21. So 30 plus minus under root 44 multiplied by 21. 21 4 are 100. 25 4 are 100. 110 minus 900. Okay. What is minus sign? Divide by 50. Okay. So what is the result? It is equal to 30 plus minus under minus 200 divided by 50. Okay. So 30 plus minus, take minus 1 outside, under minus 1 into minus 200 divided by 50. Okay. So 30 plus minus under minus 1 I into 100. You can take square root of 100. Square root of 100 is 10 in bracket 100 into 2. So 2 will remain there, divided by 50. Here is 0 is common. So take common outside and cancel it. So 3 plus minus I root 2 divided by 5. So it will result in 3 plus minus root 2 I divided by 5. So first root is take plus 3 plus root 2 I divided by 5. 3 minus root 2 I divided by 5. This is your alpha and this is your beta. That means 2 roots. Okay. Separate the denominator. Solve this equation using formula also. Okay. Now consider this example x square minus 5ix minus 6. We are having two formula, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac. We are taking b square minus 4ac, don't write I outside, divide by 2a, or minus b plus minus I under root 4ac minus b square divided by 2a. These are the two formulas. Okay, so if we take an outside I, 4ac will come first and minus sign go to the b square. So use any one formula. So we use this formula. Generally we are solving the example using this and we are not taking I outside. Not taking I outside. This is our regular formula. This is your derived for special purpose or complex number. Okay. This formula also we can use, but in this case you have to take b square first. In this case you have to take b square minus and second place. Okay. I use minus to write the second place. Okay. Now use this. We will solve one example using this formula. What is b? This is b. B is equal to minus 5i. C is equal to minus 6 and A is equal to 1. So what is formula? Minus b is minus into minus 5i plus minus I under root 4 is 4 into A 4 into 1 4 into 6 minus 24 minus b square. This square is 25 I square. Okay, divide by 2 into A is 1. Okay, so minus plus 5 I plus minus I under root minus 24 I square is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus plus 25 divided by 2. Okay, so 5i, this implies that 5i plus minus I, 25 minus 24 plus 1 root is 1, so only 1 will remain here, multiply by 1 divided by 2. So 5i plus minus I divided by 2. So first add 1, 5i plus I divided by 2, and second is 5i minus I divided by 2. So here is 4 will remain, 4 divided by 2 is 2i is the first solution, 5 plus 1i, 6i, 6 divided by 2 is 3i is your second solution. Okay, 3i. Remember this. This is your solution. While we have taken this formula, you can solve using this formula also, but you have to take b square minus 4ac as it is. You are not going to write up 4ac minus b square. Understood? So this is the way. So second exercise is related to this also. Only two exercises in this chapter. So they got ask with complex number in square root form also. Okay, solve the second exercise. Solve the MCQs. Have a doubt, then ask me. If you have a doubt, ask on group person. Good.